Welcome, boys and girls, to Lesson 8.3, Unit Fractions of a Whole. The essential question for this lesson is, what do the bottom and top numbers of a fraction tell? A fraction is a number that names part of a whole or part of a group. In a fraction, the bottom number tells how many equal parts are in the whole. For example, in this pie, there are 6 equal pieces. So the number 6 in the bottom of the fraction tells how many equal parts are in the pie. The top number tells how many equal parts are being counted. For example, if I took one slice of the pie, then we would count that one slice out of the 6. A unit fraction names one equal part of a whole. It has 1 as its top number. Therefore, 1/6 is a unit fraction. Now let's take a look at number 2 on page 157 of your Go Math book. The directions read, write the number of equal parts in the whole. Then write the fraction that names the shaded part. Looking at this triangle, I can see that it is broken into 2 equal parts. So I will write 2 on the first line to describe how many equal parts. Now I need to write the fraction that names the shaded part. I can see that 1 out of the 2 pieces are shaded. We call this 1/2. So 1/2 of the triangle is shaded. In number 4, I can see that there are 3 equal parts to this shape. So I will write 3 on the line to describe 3 equal parts. As I look at the shaded part, I see that 1 out of 3 are shaded. So I will write the fraction 1/3 to describe the shaded part. The next part of our lesson involves using the fraction to figure out what the whole amount would be. For example, in number 5, this triangle is only 1/3 of the whole. That means that this is only 1 out of 3 pieces. To make the whole piece, I would need to connect 3 of the triangles together. So I need to add 2 more triangles that are exactly the same shape and size as this one. Notice the second triangle is the same shape and size as the first triangle. It has just been flipped. The 3 triangles together make up the whole, and the shaded triangle is now 1 out of the 3 pieces. Now let's take a look at number 6. I see that this square is only 1 out of 8 pieces. So in order to make the whole, we will need to connect 8 of these squares. I could arrange the 8 squares like this figure. Or perhaps my whole figure might look like this one. It has 8 equal pieces. Or perhaps I just want to take the 8 equal pieces and put them in a long line to look like a long, thin rectangle. As long as I have 8 equal pieces, I can decide what the whole might look like. Next, number 8 says, Anna cut an apple into 4 equal pieces. She gave 1 piece to her sister. What fraction of the apple did Anna give to her sister? To solve this problem, I first need to cut the apple into 4 equal pieces. Next, it says she gave 1 piece to her sister. That means she gave 1 out of 4 equal pieces to her sister, or 1/4. Thanks for watching.